Hello everyone, let's check in with the Divine Masculine and see where they are in the collective consciousness currently. And let's just jump right in with the Seven of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck that just kind of fell out. Alright, so it looks like they're working on something. Alright. First, I just want to let you guys know that this is a general reading, so just take what resonates. And also, all of my readings are timeless, so when you receive this reading, that means that it is meant for you because energy is not linear. And we're just going to dive right in. Okay, what else, Spirit? Ancestor, the highest white light. What's going on with the Divine Masculine? Okay, the Divine Masculine just went through some sort of a spiritual transformation. They've come into enlightenment. I feel like you've already been enlightened, and I feel like they are seeing you in a new light, so to speak. I feel like the Divine Masculine also is stuck in kind of a negative place where they're not able to receive the spiritual guidance to come to you. So let's clarify that a little bit further, please, Spirit. Ancestor of the highest white light, what else? I'd like to clarify the Page of Wands in the reverse position. It's like they're coming into enlightenment. They've had some sort of an aha moment. Their light is shining a little bit brighter, but they're still just having a hard time following directions. So I'm feeling that it's like a third party, like a roommate or something like that. Anything, a work colleague that might be kind of getting in the way of that. Okay, but they're walking away from this. Eight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, too. All right. So it could be work-related. They might be working on getting a new job. Yeah, they've been working really hard on improving their space. We've got the Three of Swords in the reverse position. The Divine Masculine, I just heard that they don't want to hurt you. What else, Spirit? Or they didn't want to hurt you. So they may have left you, ghosted you, or something like that, and it was to take space to, in essence, what I'm hearing is to protect you from the negative energy that they were around. Take what resonates, you guys. What else, Spirit? Eight of Wands. So I feel like they want to take action. They want to move in and move towards you. But I also feel like they don't want to hurt you, so they're trying to get fully grounded and situated in their new light, so to speak, so that they can be an equal partner within the dynamic. What else, Spirit? Okay, yeah, Two of Wands. Yeah, they're moving forward. Like they also, I feel like, so with this card in particular, it's like this dude he's got two paths that he can choose. The message that I received, or what I saw is that they are kind of at a crossroads right now, and they don't really know where you stand, so they don't really know where they want to go. But the paths both have, I don't know why Spirit's showing this to me. I'm going to pull some more cards. They might actually be, so I feel like they're trying to get rid of this negative influence, okay? And that's like the two paths that they're choosing. So it's like, this is what Spirit's showing me. It's like this path has these birds. Okay, now birds are messengers of Spirit, okay? The other path does not. But I'm also seeing that there are two bucks, deer, I don't know. I'm going to have to, there's a lot of messages coming through with that. Let's clarify. I almost feel like they have some ego also. Okay, they have a little bit of an ego. They may identify themselves with money too much, and they may, you know, like traditional archetypes, like the man is supposed to make the money, and you know what I mean? And like, it's a patriarchal thing. It's like, you know, it's kind of whatever. I feel like because they were in a weird work situation, it was like they didn't feel adequate. But then they also understood that when you came into their life, there was this light and this radiance that they understood that there's something more than the material, okay? The world in the reverse position, I really feel like they are trying to get out of a cycle. There's like a karmic cycle or something like that that they are involved in, that they're trying to separate themselves from, because it's making it very difficult for them to be able to follow their intuition. And so it's like they're at this crossroads, but they want to come in and they want to take action towards you and move towards you, but they also don't want to hurt you, because they know that they're in a situation that is not like at your resonance, if that makes any sense. So they don't want it to affect you. What else, Spirit? They don't want you to get stuck in this cycle, so they're handling it, is what I'm hearing. What else, Spirit? High Priestess. Okay, so High Priestess kind of came out sideways. Let's clarify this a little bit further. This may resonate for some people, just a few people. I don't think that this is for everyone. This could also be a like a narcissistic like ex-lover or something like that, that like came back into their life, and she's very manipulative, and she is even using you know, dark magic, trying to manifest. Let's keep pulling some cards. You may even know this too, High Priestess. So we've got the Three of Cups. Yeah, there's definitely a third party. And we've got the King of Wands. Okay. I don't know why I just heard fireproof. The King of Wands, I just heard fireproof. And I don't know why I heard that. It could be related to a job, or it could be related to, like, I'm hearing play with fire, you get burned, or something like that. It's almost like they had to enter into this karmic situation to make sure that... Okay, because this is the thing, all right? This is what I understand, at least with, like, twin flames, is that you can be in a twin flame dynamic, even if you have... Take what resonates, because I'm not gonna preface this. I'm just gonna kind of... If you understand it, you understand it. If you don't, you can ask me in the comments if you want to, for me to clarify. But just for the sake of this reading not going super, super long, it's like if we meet up with a soulmate or a twin flame, or, you know, whatever, and we haven't done all of our soul work. So karmics come into our lives to help us to develop as a soul, and to help us learn lessons that we need to learn, okay? Usually by way of, like, triggering us, okay? Or, you know, not a very pleasant lesson. It's almost like... They knew that they had to go back and deal with this karmic so that you wouldn't have been a karmic. Because sometimes, as a twin flame, I understand it to be within the twin flame dynamic, a twin flame can even embody the energy of an unresolved karmic for that twin flame. And that's what causes a lot of separation between twin flames, is because of that, the embodiment. And it's like a really fucked up way, for lack of a better word, fucked up way for the universe to, like, help, for, like, one twin to help another twin, like, deal with their past and heal from their past. But But if you don't know the mechanics of it, and if two people are not awakened and enlightened to the whole twin flame journey and the whole experience and the whole mirroring and the whole, you know, karmic bullshit and all that stuff, like, somebody might just, like, run the fuck away, okay? And I feel like this person may have done that, but this person also understands that there was unresolved. There was something unresolved, and they went back to this person to try to resolve it, and then they got caught back in a cycle. Okay, now that is very specific for somebody. I don't know. It might not resonate with everybody. Okay, not everybody has an ex that's a third party that is doing this kind of, like, dark magic. But, so take what resonates. I do feel like there is, like, something work-related also going on. Anyways, let's keep pulling cards. What else, Spirit? But it's like, I don't know if I said this already. It's like if you play with fire, you get burned. What I heard was like he's fireproof, like he won't get burned. But this, whoever this third party is like trying to burn him, so to speak. Okay, so it's like he feels like he got in over his head, even though that was like, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, what else, Spirit? It's an interesting read. Okay, what else, Spirit? Anything else? Okay, I think that deck is done talking to us. Let's see if this deck wants to talk to us now, huh? Okay, now we have the King of Wands in the reverse position. Yeah, so he got burned. Okay, alright, yeah, so he didn't see that coming. Okay, it's cocky. Alright, what else, Spirit? But he's trying to come in, but I do feel like he's, like, caught in a cycle. Yeah. Yeah. I have Queen of Wands in the reverse position. Like, the Queen and the King of Wands are like the sexy Queen and King of Wands. And it's like, what I just heard is that she's not sexy. I don't know, you guys. Take what resonates, whatever. But it's like, basically he's thinking about you. And we've also got the Seven of Pentacles. And he's working on, we've got the Seven of Pentacles twice. Like, he is working on trying to come back. Okay, so that's what's going on with that. What else, Spirit? Anything else? Yeah, again, the Ten of Wands. He's working really hard. We have the Ten of Wands again. We're literally cycling through the same cards that we've already pulled. Like, he's working really, really hard on coming back. You know, whether, you know, you'll receive him or not. Yeah, the High Priestess in the reverse position. There's definitely some dark magic going on here. You know, which could even just be like somebody like wishing for somebody else, or you know what I mean, and you know, that those vibrations can shift and change the fabric of our reality. But like, she's not really good at it. I'm just saying, like, because that's what I'm feeling. Like, I don't feel afraid of it. It just seems more frustrating than anything. That doesn't feel dark to me. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, yeah, so the union is protected. And so, right, yeah, I just got goosebumps. Wow. Okay, so the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is a card of divine protection. It's a card of divine movement. It's also on the wheel, in this deck in particular, this is interesting. There's a ring there too that Spirit is making me like look at, that I've never even noticed before. So they're really thinking about you, and they may want to come in with a high level of commitment. This cat is playing with some dice too, and I don't understand. There's a message with that as well. I think it's like something about like gambling, but like he wants to take a risk. I don't know. Let's clarify. Four of Swords. It's usually my rest card. He might be, like, regrouping after this whole situation. I feel like he sees that you are not a very materialistic person, that you are, like, you come from a higher place of being where, like, money isn't the goal. The goal is to live and help and love. And money is just the means to get you to that place. So, yeah, the Knight of Cups. Like, he's coming in with a message. He wants to come in with a message of love to you. But he's got to get rid of whatever situation he's in first. And he will, because the Wheel of Fortune is here. And that is a card of divine protection. So, anything else, Spirit? It's like he's juggling a lot. It's like while he's dealing with this other person, and this could, I almost feel like it's current, but it's also like wrapping up. It's almost like it's almost like while he was dealing with this other person, he was trying to figure out and was trying to plan how to be with you or how to come back to you because he knew that he fucked up. What else, Spirit? Anything else? Let's pull a Wisdom of the Oracle card. Time for a nap. Somebody needs to sleep. Building blocks. Yeah, I feel like he's definitely thinking about, yeah, it's a thinker. He's definitely thinking, he needs to rest. I feel like he needs to rest and regroup, and that might be at the point where he's actually at, where he has already dealt with this, and now he's trying to, like, rest and regroup and try to figure out how to come back. But we've got the building blocks, we've got time for a nap. The time for a nap card, too, is very interesting because it's got a fox. Foxes are incredibly clever, okay? So this is definitely the vibe of the reading. But he's definitely thinking about coming back and trying to fix what was broken. So, take what resonates, and I'm sending you guys lots of love, and if you liked the reading, and if you want to support my channel, please like the video, and please subscribe, and I'm sending you guys lots of love, and thank you for being here, and until next time, okay, bye!